Hey guys, welcome back to Sense or Sense. My name is Evan. I wanted to come to you today to talk a little bit about a credit card issuer, Citi. This is a part of my line of videos that I'm going to talk about the four major companies out there: Citi, American Express, Capital One, and Chase. There are lots of things to say uniquely about each one. Not one of them really stands out to me as being the best, so to speak. But there are some cards in the Citi's lineup that I really like right now. There are also some cards that I would not get right now that other bloggers and things like that out there think that they're very good. One of the things I've determined is that Citi's zero annual fee cards are really where I like them. I like the custom cash card and I like the double cash card. Both of them offer zero annual fees. Both of them have balance transfer offers if you need to move some money around. One is 0% for 15 months and the other one is 0% for 18 months. So that's great for people that want to do a balance transfer. I don't need to do balance transfers, but I'm primarily in the game to accumulate thank you points. So thank you points is what Citi uses for these two particular cards. And I like the custom cash card. I use it every single day for groceries. For me, it's easy. You get 5 thank you points per dollar spent, up to $500 in groceries per month. For me and my family, you can't use it at Costco, you can't use it at Sam's Club, so I only spend about $500 or less in groceries at an actual traditional grocery store per month. And that works really well for me because it's every single quarter. You don't have to worry about rotating quarters like you do with Chase. You don't have to worry about anything else other than the capped limit of $500 per month. It is a rotating category card. You can choose what you want to get that 5 points per dollar back on, and it can be gas, groceries, streaming services, amongst other things. So, in the sense that I'm not going to be spending $500 for whatever reason on grocery, or I have another card that has a category available as a bonus on grocery for a particular month or quarter, I'm able to use this Citi Custom Cash card in multiple different ways. And it's brilliant because it has no annual fee. And the thank you points that it earns is pretty significant when you consider it's about 2,500 thank you points per month. So that's approaching 30,000 points per year. And it's beneficial in the sense that you can convert that to cash back. You can, if you have the Citi Premiere card, which I currently do not have, but I'm going to consider getting again at some point in the near future, is you can use those points and you can transfer them out to airlines. And then you can get a lot better value from your points for purposes of airline redemptions and those types of things. So I don't have the Citi Premiere right now. I would consider it to be a good card. It has a $95 annual fee. I had it for a long time, but I've been trying to trim down the number of card holdings I have in the last 6 months or so. I'll probably add it at some point in the near future. It's been more than 4 years since I've applied for it, so I can actually get another thank you points bonus offer on opening it again and spending a certain amount in the first 3 months. So that would be beneficial for me. And ultimately I need to pair it with these other cards to be able to get maximum value for redemptions at airline partners. So the other card is the Citi Double Cash, and it's really, it's not, I already mentioned in one of my other videos that the Capital One Venture X is kind of my go-to card for 2x return on spending for my catch-all card, the card I use every single day for non-category spend. And I like the double cash as well. I don't use it as often, but if I'm trying to accumulate thank you points for some reason for a transfer, or if I'm just trying to build my thank you points up, which I'm actually trying to do right now, I've got a lot fewer thank you points than I do Chase Ultimate Rewards points, and I've got a lot less than I do even Capital One points, and I definitely have a lot more American Express membership rewards points than I do anything else right now. So I use the Double Cash with Citi as kind of my catch-all everyday card for non-category spend when I'm trying to build up my thank you points. So it has no annual fee, and like I said, it's got a great balance transfer, 0% for 15 or 18 months. And it also earns thank you points that can be pooled with your Citi Custom Cash. And if you apply for that Citi Premiere card, then you can pool those points together, and you can ultimately transfer that over to an airline, or you can just take the points and cash them out for cash, one for one. Sometimes there's transfer bonuses, sometimes there's opportunities to do better than that. I haven't made a redemption with thank you points in quite some time. I just haven't earned a lot until very recently. I just in the last 6 months applied for the custom cash card. So I will see how it all works out, but I do like Citi as a company. I've had no issues with them. I've had a card one way or another with them for many, many years, and I plan on keeping at least the custom cash and the double cash for now. And I would appreciate you guys subscribing to the channel, leaving some comments. Let me know what cards you like from Citi. There are a few other ones out there, but those are the main ones that I've found to be useful. And I would love to hear some great redemption options that you might have as well. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Evan, Cents or Sense. Hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and I'll be back with some more videos very soon. Thanks for tuning in.